Topic number 6. Part 2. The Judicial System of Pakistan. Challenges in the judicial system of Pakistan. Despite having a structured hierarchy and a mix of common law and Islamic jurisprudence, Pakistan's judicial system faces several challenges that affect its efficiency and credibility. These issues lead to delays, corruption, political interference, and limited access to justice. 4.1 Delay in justice. Justice delayed is justice denied. One of the biggest problems in Pakistan's judiciary is the delay in court proceedings, which causes frustration for litigants and weakens public trust in the legal system. Key causes of delayed justice. 1. Case backlog. There are hundreds of thousands of pending cases in the Supreme Court, High Courts, and District Courts. Many cases remain unresolved for decades. 2. Shortage of judges. The number of judges is too low compared to the huge number of cases. As a result, courts are overloaded and hearings are postponed frequently. 3. Slow trial process. The legal process is complicated and bureaucratic, with unnecessary paperwork, adjournments, and delays in evidence collection. 4. Lack of modern technology. Many courts still rely on manual records instead of digital case management systems, making the legal process slower. 5. Frequent strikes by lawyers. In some cases, lawyers go on strike for various reasons, leading to court closures and further delays. Impact of delayed justice. People lose faith in the judiciary and seek alternative dispute resolution methods. Accused individuals in criminal cases remain under trial for years, violating their right to a fair and speedy trial. Victims suffer emotionally and financially while waiting for justice. Possible solutions. Increase the number of judges and court staff. Introduce fast-track courts for urgent cases. Digitize court records to speed up case management. Reduce unnecessary adjournments. 4.2 Judicial corruption, a threat to fair justice. Corruption in the judiciary damages the impartiality and credibility of the legal system. Forms of judicial corruption. 1. Bribery and favoritism. Some judges, lawyers, and court staff take bribes to influence case outcomes. 2. Political pressure. Government officials and influential figures sometimes interfere in court decisions. 3. Lack of transparency. Many judicial decisions are made without clear reasoning, leading to doubts about judicial integrity. Impact of judicial corruption. Unfair judgments where the rich and powerful escape punishment. Loss of public trust in the judiciary. Weak enforcement of laws, leading to increased crime and injustice. Possible solutions. Strengthen judicial accountability mechanisms. Implement strict anti-corruption laws for judges and court staff. Increase transparency in court proceedings. 4.3 Political influence, weakening judicial independence. A major challenge in Pakistan's judiciary is political interference, where the government tries to influence judicial decisions. Ways political influence affects the judiciary. 1. Selective accountability. Politicians use the judiciary to target opponents while protecting their allies. 2. Pressure on judges. Some judges are forced to rule in favor of the government to avoid backlash. 3. Interference in judicial appointments. The government controls judicial appointments, which can lead to biased judges being selected. Examples of political influence. High-profile corruption cases involving politicians are often delayed or dismissed due to political pressure. Judges who make bold decisions against powerful individuals face threats and transfers. Impact of political influence. Weakens democracy by allowing the ruling party to control the judiciary. Denies justice to ordinary citizens while protecting the elite. Creates instability as judicial decisions lose credibility. Possible solutions. Ensure judicial independence by protecting judges from external pressures. Establish a transparent system for judicial appointments. Strengthen the separation of powers between the judiciary, executive, and legislature. 4.4 Inaccessibility to justice. Justice for the wealthy, not the poor. Many people in Pakistan, especially in rural areas, cannot afford legal representation or do not have access to courts. Barriers to accessing justice. 1. High legal fees. Hiring a good lawyer is too expensive for poor citizens. 2. Lack of legal awareness. Many people do not know their rights and avoid going to court. 3. Complicated court procedures. The legal system is difficult to understand, discouraging ordinary citizens from seeking justice. 4. Geographical barriers. Courts are far away from villages, making it hard for rural communities to attend hearings. Impact of limited access to justice. Poor people suffer injustices without legal remedies. Women and marginalized groups struggle to fight for their rights. Corrupt and powerful individuals escape accountability. Possible solutions. Provide free legal aid for poor citizens. Conduct awareness campaigns to educate people about their rights. Simplify court procedures to make the legal system more accessible. Establish mobile courts to bring justice to remote areas. 5. Judicial reforms in Pakistan. To address the challenges in Pakistan's judicial system, several judicial reforms have been introduced or proposed. These reforms aim to improve efficiency, transparency, and accessibility in the legal system. 5.1 Digital transformation. The future of Pakistan's judiciary. Technology is revolutionizing the legal system worldwide, and Pakistan is gradually adopting digital reforms to improve court efficiency. Key digital reforms in Pakistan. 1. E-courts and virtual hearings. Introduction of online hearings to reduce delays. Video conferencing for witnesses and remote case proceedings. Reduce travel costs for lawyers and litigants. 2. Online case management systems. Courts now use computerized records instead of paper files. Automated case tracking allows lawyers and litigants to check their case status online. 3. Digitalization of legal documents. Scanning and storing legal documents electronically prevents tampering and loss. Lawyers can file petitions online, saving time. Impact of digital transformation. Faster court processes with fewer delays. Greater transparency, reducing chances of corruption. More accessible justice, especially for remote areas. 5.2 Alternative dispute resolution, ADR, solving cases without courts. To reduce the burden on courts and speed up justice, Pakistan is promoting alternative dispute resolution, ADR, methods like mediation and arbitration. Types of ADR. 1. Mediation. A neutral third party helps both sides reach a mutual agreement. 2. Arbitration. A private judge, arbitrator, makes a decision that both parties must follow. Benefits of ADR. Saves time. Cases that take years in courts can be resolved in months or even weeks. Lower costs. ADR is much cheaper than formal court trials. Less burden on courts helps reduce case backlog. Preserves relationships useful in family, business, and commercial disputes. Current ADR initiatives in Pakistan. Punjab Alternative Dispute Resolution Act, 2019 allows certain civil and criminal cases to be resolved through ADR. Commercial arbitration is encouraged in corporate disputes. 5.3 Judicial training, enhancing legal expertise. To improve the quality of judgments and keep up with evolving laws, judges and lawyers need continuous training. Judicial training areas. 1. Continuous legal education for judges and lawyers. 2. Specialized training in new areas of law. Cyber law, human rights law, corporate law. Impact of judicial training. Better decision-making by judges. Efficient handling of modern and complex cases. Stronger enforcement of fundamental rights. 5.4 Strengthening judicial independence, protecting the judiciary from external influence. Key steps to strengthen judicial independence. 1. Ensuring non-interference from government. 2. Merit-based judicial appointments. 3. Strengthening judicial accountability. Impact of strengthening judicial independence. Fairer and unbiased decisions. Stronger rule of law in Pakistan. Public confidence in the judiciary increases. Conclusion. The judicial system of Pakistan plays a crucial role in upholding justice, interpreting laws, and protecting constitutional rights. It follows a hierarchical structure, with the Supreme Court at the top, followed by high courts and district courts, ensuring that justice is accessible at different levels. Additionally, specialized courts and tribunals address specific legal matters, such as family disputes, terrorism cases, and financial crimes. While Pakistan's hybrid legal system combines elements of common law, civil law, and Islamic jurisprudence, it also faces significant challenges, including delayed justice, judicial corruption, and political interference. To strengthen the judiciary, reforms such as increasing judicial capacity, digitizing court processes, ensuring transparency, and safeguarding judicial independence are necessary. A fair and efficient legal system is essential for maintaining public trust, upholding the rule of law, and fostering a just society.